Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Tuesday morning, we are seeing clear skies out there. I told you I'd capture that full moon for you. You can see off in the distance. We've got our roof cam here over North Bay Village pointing at it for you. A little bit of cloud cover in place, but boy, that full moon is lighting up the sky, and therefore it'll guide you into work this morning. We are expecting sunrise just after 7 o'clock. And temperatures this morning are nice and mild. We are going to warm up today, slightly warmer with highs expected to reach the upper 70s near 80 degrees. All of you have been asking where our warm weather is. Well, today, get out there and enjoy, because there will be a change in the forecast by tomorrow. Local storm tracker radars drive from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West. We did see some very fast moving showers by the middle and the lower Keys earlier this morning. All of that moisture has pushed offshore. Temperatures comfortable, lower 60s in Miami as well as Fort Lauderdale, 68 degrees in Key West with clear skies. Now the kids might need a light sweater or jacket. There are some 50s out there. As you can see, 57 degrees if you're waking up in Pembroke Pines, as well as Hialeah, 58 in Kendall, Miccosukee, lower 60s in Pompano Beach and Oakland Park. The winds are calm in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, so there is that possibility of some dense fog developing, especially over Alligator Alley and inland portions of Miami. All in all, down by the Keys, the winds are moving in from the northeast at 6 miles per hour. Take a look at the storm tracker and the clouds and satellite. You can see we are seeing some showers throughout portions of the U.S., mainly focusing throughout the southeast United States. Reason being, there's an area of low pressure located over Texas with a cold front associated with it, bringing some rain throughout portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. You can see throughout the overnight, central portions of Texas received sleet and snow. That's because the temperatures behind that area is very cold. We've got the 40s right over Dallas-Fort Worth, but just to the west of it, temperatures are in the 30s. You can see that indicated with the bold blue shades. 34 degrees in Denver. We're looking at 20 degrees in Salt Lake City, 26 in Kansas City, 32 in Chicago, 31 in Minneapolis. Ahead of that frontal boundary, mild conditions, and with our winds moving in ahead of that front from the south, from the Gulf of Mexico, that could provide for some severe weather throughout the southeast United States today. For us, we'll continue to stay nice and dry with high pressure in place, providing for our winds to move in from the east-southeast. As we go into tomorrow, that low will advance towards the northeast. The tail end of that front will approach South Florida, increasing our rain chances by Wednesday night into Thursday. Once the front clears, we will stay nice and less humid and comfortable as we end the work week, and then we'll keep our eyes on a secondary front. This front is actually going to push in some colder air as we go into the weekend. So temperatures taking a turn today. We will stay nice and dry, much warmer than what we saw yesterday, and it will be a bit more humid with our wind flow moving in from the east-southeast. Threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be at a light chop. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs in the upper 70s near 80 degrees. Lows in the lower 60s and then mid 60s for the coast. The return of rain turns into the forecast by Wednesday night, dry as we end the week and cooler by the weekend. Have a great day.